Completing your NVQ Level 7 Diploma in Construction Senior Management doesn't have to take forever. With the right approach, you can fast-track it while staying focused at work. Start by creating a clear, structured plan. Understand all the mandatory and optional units in advance, so you know exactly what evidence you need. Next, gather any existing documents early on. Project reports, meeting minutes, risk assessments, and programs can often be used directly to meet the criteria, saving you from duplicating work later. Organize your evidence in a dedicated folder, whether digital or physical, and sort it by unit. This not only helps you stay on top of what's needed, but also makes your assessor's job easier, reducing delays. Set aside regular weekly time for NVQ work, even if it's just a few hours. This consistent effort keeps the momentum going and avoids last-minute stress. Stay in close contact with your assessor throughout the process. Get feedback early and often, so you can correct or strengthen evidence right away rather than redoing work at the end. Make the most of your current workplace activities. Things like site meetings, leadership decisions, and strategic planning can all serve as strong evidence. Remember to document everything, record key decisions, leadership actions, and problem-solving steps. Even audio notes or email threads can be valuable. Focus first on the units where you already have strong evidence. Completing these early gives you quick wins and helps build confidence. Involve your team and line managers where possible. They can provide witness testimonies and support documents, helping you move faster. Finally, track your progress regularly and celebrate small milestones to stay motivated. By staying proactive, organized, and focused, you'll be able to complete your NVQ Level 7 more efficiently, without compromising your day-to-day responsibilities.